What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This video, we're just going to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Probably seen a ton of these on YouTube. Probably not going to be a whole lot different, except we're going to follow this up with a bunch of accessories, cases, stuff that Apple doesn't give you anymore. Like, you know, you used to get like a big old nice charger like this, kind of, right? Nope, don't get it anymore. Apple's breaking down. They're even making their boxes flatter. They're reducing their carbon footprint. And I think by like, I don't know, 19 or 2030 something that they're supposed to be like hardly anything. So be interesting what you get down the road as Apple starts to, you know, minimize. Maybe by then your phone's going to maybe be like that. Who knows? But here it is. The 12 Max, the 6.7 inch screen. So right now I actually rock the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and we'll do a little comparison on that. So maybe a little difference than a lot of people. So I'm just going to put the 11 Pro Max right there, and we'll check out the size difference. So let's go ahead behind the camera. As always, Apple makes unpackaging super easy. I didn't have to get a knife, anything, just little pull tabs. And then the nice thin little box. Boom. There's the top. Here's the bottom. And again, you get your charging cord, your one Apple sticker and instructions, and that's it. Okay? Apple used to be all about the unboxing experience, and now it's less box, less experience. So there you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and just toss the box aside. I mean, it is still a nice experience, and it is still a very, very nice box. I like the little design on the front. Looks amazingly cool. Okay, so here we go. This is the 11 Pro Max, the 12 Pro Max. You can already see you've got some differences. The cameras look a lot bigger. The phone looks bigger, obviously, so you can see that. And color-wise, graphite, you know, it still looks like the space gray, basically, or what that was. So let's go ahead and flip it over. And you get the little experience of pulling that off. And there you are. Does it look sleek and cool? Yes. Do I like this design better? I think it's easier to hold. It feels thicker. This is really this rounded bezel like this. It's kind of hard to hold on to without a case. This one is definitely a little easier. Let's look at them side by side. So you can see it's gotten definitely thicker. As you can see right there, look at that. But overall, what really hasn't changed, right? Well, one thing I can tell you right now, I can already see my fingerprints all over the side of this, so that is definitely a fingerprint magnet. But the camera, definitely bigger. Got a much bigger footprint there. Screen size, definitely bigger. So, definitely going to be, you know, still got the forehead. But I like the sides a little bit better, even though they look a little more fingerprinty like that. Camera, definitely I've heard some great things. It's got like image stabilization, really good night mode built into it. So definitely looking forward to that. It is just it's your flagship iPhone. This is the 256 gig version, I do believe. Yep. So iPhone 12 Pro Max, graphite, 256 gigs, and that's really it. So should be faster. This is a 256 gig also on the 11 Pro Max. So I'm looking forward to giving this a run and see what I think. Is it a lot of phone? Yes. Definitely a two-hand phone. I don't think I'm going to be able to reach. You have to have pretty ginormous hands. If you can palm a basketball, you might be able to use one hand and manipulate this. But otherwise, this is probably a two-hand operation when it comes to this. Now I know Apple's got some little shortcuts to bring screens down and stuff so you can try to reach it and stuff like that. It's nice, but in practicality, I'm not going to be able to reach the top and the bottom of this with my one hand. I just won't be able to do it. I'm going to have to use two hands. And again, we're gaining some real estate here on the screen, but we're keeping the forehead. So what we're going to do is we're just going to end the video here. I just wanted to do a quick first impressions, a comparison to the 11 Pro Max, and then we're going to follow this video with, like I said, some accessories, some cases, and stuff like that. So stay tuned, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and again, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications if you want to see some of the cool cases that we are lined up to review, because we've got some really nice ones, okay? Not just your average, like, oh, here's your, normal cases. No, we try to go out and try to find some cool cases to display. So if they've got an iPhone 12 Pro Max case out, tried to reach out, tried to go out, spend my money on some, and we're going to review them, all right? So again, like, share, and as always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.